I heard about VGC through just searching through Google for contracting companies. We were looking for something that had really good reviews, and we were quite happy with the ones that we saw. My first impression when we met VGC was the professionalism of them. We were quite happy when we met with Hussein and the team. We felt like we were very confident in the way that they were approaching our design, and confident they would come up with what we were looking for at the end of the day. For the construction process and working with Ali, he was very responsive all the time. He was just a text or a phone call away whenever we needed something or just an update on the entire thing. It was a long process, but we saw the progression throughout the whole thing, through the app that the VGC had, and we were very happy with it. Our favorite part of the kitchen to me is the wooden shelves. I often am the one washing the dishes, and it just aesthetically is so much easier to enjoyable to wash the dishes when I'm not looking at the cabinets all day. So yeah, we're very happy with the overall aesthetics of the kitchen. Yeah, it turned out amazing. I definitely would recommend VGC to friends. We've mentioned people, or even around our complex already, that you guys have done amazing work and we showed off the place so far, so yeah, definitely.